In just 2 minutes, you may start making money online by entering simple words. It functions on any device, including your phone and PC, as long as you have internet connectivity. Watch the video right away. The first website we'll visit today is askwonder.com. Before we visit the website, I have a ton of important information to show you in this video. Find the words Earn While You Learn at the very bottom of the page when you first visit this website. Click the Apply Here button to join our team as a research analyst. The button will take you to this page after you click it. I'll show you how to use your phone or computer to type on this website to make money. To begin, you must fill out this brief application by providing your name, email address, and password. Considering that they accept registrations from all over the world, you can also include the nation you are from. Select Start Application after clicking on these boxes. As soon as your application is finished, they will send you an activation email. Be careful to click the blue button to activate your account or the link to confirm your login. This is where you may find different jobs and projects to start working on to start earning paid for your study. In Step 2, they will assign you a task to complete. If you locate projects and start working on them, you can continue and join them. Step 3 requires you to look up the solutions or pertinent sources, summarize your findings, and finish. To receive money, you must type anything here. You should watch the rest of this video because I'll walk you through each step. Numerous projects where you can conduct research, start writing, and make money are listed on this account's research dashboard. It is extremely effective since you don't require any study or prior knowledge. All you have to do is use a special Google trick, which I will show you right now. I'll give you an example to get things started. Click Market Size after selecting Marketing. When I press this button, they will find you a selection of jobs to choose from. For instance, one category has 6 separate projects in it. When given these assignments, a lot of people find it quite difficult to type the answers to these questions. Please go to google.com, please. It is irrelevant if you do this on a computer or a phone. If you want to replicate something, go back to this project and highlight what were the most expensive TV shows produced in history. Go back to Google, type your query in its full form, then press search. After then, a ton more search results will be accessible. You can see that there are several choices for responses that we may easily enter into a Google document. Let's start at the beginning so you can see exactly how to complete it before you try it out for yourself. You must deliver top 10 lists of the TV shows for the most expensive TV shows produced assignment before receiving payment. To find the answers, all you have to do is search for the top 10 most costly TV shows on Google, which greatly simplifies the procedure. The demo response, for instance, is this. All they do is provide a succinct demonstration of a simple concept. As you can see in the top 1 and up to 10, these are the demo answers that they want. You'll go back to Google and specifically enter the question. This is the first website that lists the 10 most expensive TV shows, as you can see here. To access it, simply click the link. Scroll down below to see the precise solutions. You don't even need to think of these solutions on your own, just type the inquiry into Google and you'll ultimately need to perform some real work. I want you to copy these, emphasizing items 1 through 10 while doing so. Return here, click copy, and then paste everything. As you can see, each position from 1 to 10 is covered, along with photos. The right approach is to use Google to research the answer before copying and pasting it into the text box to make it appear as though you are typing it. This way, you can appear to be typing even though you are not actually typing the answer or responding to the question. However, it is not always easy to locate the solution on the first page. I'll run through the more challenging second case. We have answered the first question, which by itself can easily earn you $60 to $600. The second question is, which US cities are expanding the quickest and what is fueling that growth? The same method will be used, simply highlight the query, copy it all, and then use Google's search function. This answer can be found on a number of websites, but since it's a little more difficult to understand, you might not discover it on the first one. You may easily get the solution to your first inquiry on the first page, which is great because it enables you to start making money right away by simply copying and pasting, no typing is needed. That's it for today. By simply answering questions here you can make tons of money. If you enjoyed the video, smash the like button.